Hi everyone, so we will be presenting on our mini project which is Archimedes Principal Learning Kit. In this group we have Sherin Elvik Sylvester, Noraini binti Hassan, Siti Aisyah binti Saibi, and Muhammad Ikhwan bin Silden. We will start with the project description.
Project description. This method involves weighing an object first in air, then in water, using the difference in weight as the buoyant force. The object mass does not change. Its apparent weight will change when measured while immersed in a fluid that is denser than air.
Okay, next is objective. First is calculating the volume of an object that does not have a regular shape. Second is measuring the buoyancy for a submerged non-dissolving solid object. Third is showing the way to apply Archimedes principle in product. Fourth is showing how useful Archimedes principle in our life. And the last one is to share information and knowledge to other people about Archimedes principle.
Hello, my name is Noraini binti Hassan and from the KA1C. Today, I would like to share about the materials and the cost that we use in the Archimedes experiment. So, I will start with the materials. Firstly, we need a spare and concave shaped plasticine. Secondly, we should have 1500 ml and 500 ml bottle. That we also need a stone and balance scale. Fourth is a thread because we have to tie the plasticine by using a thread. Next is we need a scissor to cut the bottle like in the picture. And the last is we also need a pen to record the result. Next is the cost that we use in the Archimedes experiment is 3 ringgit because we only buy the plasticine, thread and also a scissor. Some materials we all just recycle and also we already have it at home. For example like bottle, pen, stone, marker pen and balance scale.
So next is the result. The initial weight of sphere plasticine is 32 mg, and the weight of water displaced is 13 mg. The initial weight of concave plasticine is also 32 mg, and the weight of water displaced is 37 mg. Lastly, initial weight of stone is 8 mg, and the weight of water displaced is 13 mg. Moving on with the discussion. So from this mini project, we can learn that the buoyant force of an object is equal to the weight of water displaced by the object. Next, sphere plasticine is less dense than water, which causes it to float on the surface of water. The stone sinks because it is denser than water. Lastly, concave plasticine is shaped like a boat. Even though it has the same weight as the sphere plasticine, it has less volume and larger surface area, which causes it to float.
Okay, next is the impact of Archimedes. First is Archimedes' principle also help us to understand why something floats or sinks by showing that the amount of liquid displaced is the measure of the sinking or rising capability of the object. Second is Archimedes established a new theory in mathematics which could count numbers to an infinite value. Third is Archimedes' screw was more of a pump than a screw. It helped people to carrying water from a low level to higher level was a tough job. But Archimedes' screw allowed this to be done easily by working against gravity. Fourth is discovered the laws of levers and pulleys, which allows us to move heavy objects using small forces. And the last one is invented one of the most fundamental concepts of physics, that is the center of gravity.